Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing. But now let's talk about Bonk price. As you guys know, I've been discussing Bonk. I haven't really done any analysis. If you watch my Solana update for quite some time, you guys know we've been discussing Bonk on there. So today is the day where I decide to actually kind of take a further look at it, give you guys my personal analysis and see where we could be expecting a Bonk going in the immediate short term. If we're looking at the entire markets right now, we're seeing a little bit of green across the board, and we're also seeing a little bit of red across the board, and that's mainly due to BTC manipulation that's occurring. If you guys are taking a look at Bitcoin's price, we've seen this continuation of upwards downwards trend, especially retesting the 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level. But the best thing for you guys to know is that we're back above the resistance at 36,200, so that is worthwhile noting. But if we're looking at Bonk's price right now, you guys can see it has about 5 zeros in front of the price, currently sitting at 419, down 8.7% over the past 24 hours in USD comparative, also down 8.4% in Bitcoin comparative over the past 24 hours. Looking at its rank, 164 rank in the cryptocurrency market ranking with a market cap of 254.2 million and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $41.4 million. And this is where everything changes. This is not your ordinary meme coin that's launched on Ethereum. This meme coin is launched on Solana. And it was launched earlier this year, and it has that first mover's advantage. And you guys know, if you do follow me on my channel for my daily Solana updates, I've predicted this massive run. And, before even November, I was eyeing Bonk. And I've even said it in my community tab that, I missed out. I should have picked it up. But with the Solana ecosystem blowing up right now, we're seeing not just meme coins, we're seeing actually good projects as well with utility launching on the Solana blockchain, and the NFT marketplace is also booming. So, this is a shift, a global shift for the cryptocurrency market that we're seeing. Solana is actually here to compete with Ethereum, and if Bonk is able to get past, Pepe, which I think it will in the short term, and of course, if it's able to get back into the top 100 coins, this is going to change the entire game. Because if you're looking at Bonk's holder count, 480,597 holders. And before you guys say anything, yes, let's compare it with Pepe. Pepe currently has 148,559 holders, but there's a difference. Before people say anything, Bonk has been airdropped to a lot of people, so obviously that is going to increase the holder count, but this should really indicate as to where this project potentially is going. As I said, first mover advantage built on Solana. We're going to talk a little bit more on that, but before we get into that stuff, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So if we're looking at Pepe right now, guys, Pepe has a market cap of $453.7 million, and the rank is the 111th spot. And the way Bonk is moving right now shows it's going parabolic, especially after the news of Binance. If you guys are not familiar, Binance announced that on Binance Futures they will launch Bonk and Pyth, which are both Solana projects. And this should give us the indication as to where Solana projects really are heading. Of course, in the bull market, before someone comes out and says, oh, Crypto ZX Bonk is not the biggest meme coin, it was Samo. I'm aware of that. This was a meme coin that was the biggest meme coin as of now that launched on Solana. And guess when it launched? It launched at the peak of the bull market. And that was able to gain up to 700,000 market valuation. $700 million of market valuation, so almost $1 billion. So it was one of the hot projects last bull cycle as far as meme coins are concerned. But I think what Bonk is about to do is going to be way bigger. Reason as to why I say this is because right now we're seeing a shift. And the way Solana is booming, we're seeing a huge correlation with Bonk as well. And Bonk is straight getting all these other meme coins to actually follow. Where there's so many meme coins launching, obviously there's so many rugs out there, and at the end of the day, this is a meme coin. You guys know we need to treat meme coins like meme coins. If you have done your due diligence and research and have invested what you can afford to lose, then I guess patience is your key. But remember, when you're dealing with meme coins, let's say you've done your due diligence and research and you have $100 to invest, what I recommend is, if you are affording to lose $100, don't even do that. Invest half of that, because if the coin is the right one, it will give you massive gains. Now, if we're taking a look at Bonk's price just in November, if you pick this coin up at the November 1st, beginning of this month, this project went up 735% in a single month. So 7.3x in a single month is insane. And of course, in September, if you were accumulating some Bonk on September, guess what? You are up about 16x. You can make these numbers up. And right now, you can't even do much TA on a project like Bonk, especially the one that's going this parabolic. You can't really make too much TA on this. But what I've done for you guys is I've put on some major levels of resistances and support lines. So basically what you're seeing is the 24.97 and the 35.58 is huge levels of supports. You guys can see this 35.02 was a huge level of resistance at a point when we were trying to break out. But I think after this Binance news, and of course insiders accumulating as well, pushed the price all the way up to this 54.75 zone. And if we were to bring out the measuring tool, we're only 30% away for us to touch a new all-time high. And the way it's holding right now, of course, it's retesting that previous resistance, which has turned into support at this 35.21. Let's look at it on the hourly time frame. There you go. Look at the look how it's dancing back and forth above this support line. Guys, this is showing tremendous amount of momentum, because every time Bonk has flipped a resistance into support, it's pretty much been bouncing back and forth at that support line. You can see this for yourself. And again, just on the 19th, when we flip the resistance into support line, we've pretty much been bouncing. Of course, we've seen these wicks coming down, but these wicks are due to leverage trading, if you guys know. And you guys know I strongly encourage you guys to stay away from leverage trading. It's extremely risky. I know Binance Futures has listed this, but they make majority of their cash off of futures. So we've seen Caspa, a project that's extremely hyped, also listed on Binance Futures before the spot listing. But I think this opens the door for Binance spot listing coming up in the very near future. And of course, not only that, I think this is going to open the door for a lot of other centralized exchanges, big ones, to come and list this. If Pepe was able to do this, I don't see why Bonk can't. That is something a lot of people don't realize. If you're looking at the markets, it's listed on, OrangeX, never heard of this exchange, BingX, MEXC, Bybit, and Binance Futures now. But as far as spot trading goes, which, I want my viewers to only buy through spot, never on leverage. As of now, these are only the exchanges. And of course, obviously, Jupiter Exchange, you can purchase it on there. And Orca, these decentralized exchanges are also available. So great, momentum is definitely there. And I think it has everything for itself to be pushing up to some highs and actually beat the Samo coin that launched last year. I think Bonk has everything possible for it to hit $1 billion plus MCAP. And I think it's about to make history. I'm getting that feeling. I think it's about to make history for a first-time Solana project, as far as it's a meme coin, to really come and battle with the Ethereum giants such as Floki, Shiba Inu, and the likes of Dogecoin and etc. So great things definitely happening. Right now, like I said, if we're looking at the charts for Bonk, looking absolutely great. I'm expecting move coming up in the next few days. Just watch out on BTC and of course Solana as well. But let's not forget it's up 7x on the month. So we need to give it some time before people come out and say something. Let me know down below what your personal thoughts are. I wanted to show you guys this as well. 2 days ago I posted this on my community tab, and it says Solana ecosystem is heating up. Can Bonk become the biggest meme coin in battle with the top boys such as Dogecoin, Shiba, and Pepe? And you guys can see 49% say yes and 51% no chance. But guess who I'm leaning with? These people. Yeah. All right. Anyways, like I said, time is going to tell, and let me know if you guys want to see more Bonk daily updates. If so, let me know. And yeah, we'll see you tomorrow with Crypto ZX and peace.